We know how to move patients safely. Those train wipers. Independence into her hands. Even her game forward. We know how to move doors automatically. We know how to move them out of a tight spot. And them into the best spot. Automation into the future. Even your Sunday roast. With our motors, we know how to move any industrial application. We know how to move your project to market faster, smarter, and more reliably. Because we move with your ideas from concept to creation at the right price. Movement is life. And at Parvalux, we've dedicated ours to mastering it. Parvalux, we know how to move.